So here's a video of our campground, the north side of the creek, which is the side that our place is on. Looking up the road is towards the bridge that goes to the other side. This old house here has been here for a very, very, very long time. And if we pan back, then there is a footbridge here that takes you over to the other side as well. So we'll just walk down the road. Outhouses. Couple of permanents. I am. I'm doing a video. Oh. And you're on it. This is our site. Nice parking area here. Access to the creek. I'll show it to you later. There's more RVs on this side. And a road that goes up that way will come back that way. So that's our site. And neighbors Kurt and his wife will spot. They have a really nice deck over the water. And then more RVs further down. This used to be an old logging camp. So you see there's parts of railway areas here and there. More spots along the side here. And on this side, access onto the creek. Old shack. More trailers. Most of these are up here all year round. Not called out. They have little cabanas on the side of them. The manager's place and the marina. And a little shack there that they put toys and stuff in. Picnic table. More RVs. These ones on this side, they have a really nice view of the estuary and creek that goes through it. Right now, tide is up a bit, so it's pretty flooded. And we'll just go to the end. Beautiful view. Here's places on the other side of the creek. Nice trailers over there. Nice water access, creek access. And if we spin around, you can see the old railway tracks that would have come out. Or what would have been railway tracks anyways. A little bench. Again, nice places. And we're going to go up on the other side once we get up to the intersection. view of the RVs over there. Like I said, boat launch and marine area. Cruise ships going by in the evening. This area that's in front of you used to be where the old hospital was. Now basically where that trailer is. And just around the corner is our campsite again. And there's our RV. That's it.